Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create payment link on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So I'm going to open up mine and logging in now. So let me log in. Okay, once I've logged in, you will be on your home screen here. So now we're going to create a payment link. So what I have to do now, go to the transfer tab here below. So go to your transfer tab, hit on the new option here, the plus icon on your top right, and then scroll down and you will see an option called create a payment link. So hit on create a payment link. So now you have the option to create a payment link either to request money, so someone can use the link to send you money, or you can or you can use the link to send money, so someone can use the link to claim money. All right, so that's how it is. So for example, if I want, so what I can do, I can, for example, I will just choose send money. So I'm using a link to send money. So here type in the amount, all right, that the amount you want, and then choose the currency, and then if you have any note to add, so get that done. And then once you can add the notes there. So once you're done with it, then all you have to do is hit on the send button, and that will generate a link that you can share through any means that you want, and then the person can claim the money through that link. So okay, so I'm unable to create a link now because I don't have sufficient balance on my account, so that's why. But all you have to do, if you have sufficient balance, just plug in the amount and then hit on send, and that will generate the payment link. So that's how it is. And you can do in the same way, you can also do a link to request money. So you click on request money, so click on request a specific amount, same thing, type in and then hit on request, type in the amount and hit on request, and that will generate a link so that someone can use that link to make payments. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.